Good morning, students. Now we learn about plastics. We all use articles made up of plastics like toothbrush, buckets, mug, lunchbox, pencil boxes, containers, water bottles, and even the furniture also made up of plastic. So, why plastic is so popular? Yes, this is because plastic have some special properties like plastic's durability. Plastic lives long and do not break easily, can take the wear and tear of daily life. They last for long. Next is plastics are resistance to weather conditions. Means plastic does not affect by the weather conditions like moisture, presence of air, humidity which rusted or corrode other things. Plastic does not become dull. Plastic can be colored easily. Plastic can be shaped easily. And next important property is plastics are recyclable, means plastic can be melted and can be reshaped again and again according to our desire. So there is a wide variety of products can be available in plastic. Plastic are resistant to many chemicals, so we can use plastic to make containers of chemicals and water containers also. Plastics are inexpensive, very low in cost, and quite strong. Plastic can be used again and again as we can use polythene bag many times. Now next is like synthetic fibers we discussed earlier, plastics are also polymers. They also consist of linear polymers or cross-linked polymers. Depending upon the linkage of the polymers, plastic are of two types. First one is thermoplastic. Thermo means heat. The plastic which can be reshaped or changed, remolded by heating are called thermoplastics. For example, polyvinyl chloride (PVC) is a thermoplastic which can be reshaped and remolded by heating and we can change according to our desire are called thermoplastics. PVC is a good electrical insulator. Insulator means that does not allow heat and electricity to pass through it, therefore used to make covering around electrical wires so that protect us from electricity. It is also used in making floor tiles, containers, and also in making raincoats, car seats, and waterproof coating of folders and bags. So this is thermoplastic, and second type is thermosetting. Thermosetting, as the name indicate, setting. It once set and cannot be changed again. That type of plastic is called thermosetting plastic. For example, bakelite is used in making electrical plugs, switches, combs, and also in our utensils. Handles are also made up of bakelites. Now, difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting. You understand now. First is thermoplastic can be reshaped, remolded as many times as desired. But thermosetting plastic cannot be changed. Once it is set, it cannot be reshaped even on heating. Thermoplastics are polymer which soften and get deformed on heating. On heating, the polymers are deformed its shape. But in thermosetting plastic, they do not soften or melt on heating. Example of thermoplastics are polythenes, PVCs, polystyrenes, whereas the example of thermoplastics are bakelite and melamine.